Hello everyone! Our lesson for today is about the types of pronouns. Let's first review together what is a pronoun. A pronoun replaces the noun. It can be used in singular and the plural forms. The verb used in a sentence should be used in accordance to the particular form of the pronoun used. Pronouns are classified into three main kinds, and they are first person, second person, and third person. The singular pronouns of the first person are I and me, and the plural pronouns are we and us. The singular pronouns of the second person are you and your, and the plural pronouns is also you. Finally, the singular pronouns of the third person are he, she, it, him, and her, and the plural pronouns are they, them, and their. Pronouns are also classified into different types based on their functions. Let's discover these types. Personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, relative pronouns, reflexive pronouns, indefinite pronouns, and reciprocal pronouns. Now we are going to talk about each one of them. Personal pronouns. They are simple pronouns that are used to substitute or replace proper names. For example, he went to the store. The pronoun he replaces the name of a person. Possessive pronouns. These pronouns are used to show possession or ownership, like mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs. For example, this bicycle is mine. Mine shows that this bicycle is owned by me. Demonstrative pronouns. They are used to point to specific objects, and they are this, that, these, those. For example, I finished that book last night. Interrogative pronouns. They are used to ask questions, such as who, what, why, where, when. For example, what are you watching? Relative pronouns. The use of these pronouns is to relate one part of the sentence to another, like that, whom, who, which, where, when, etc. As in this example, the project that we worked on together was great. Reflexive pronouns. They are used to refer back to the subject in a sentence, such as myself, yourself, oneself, herself, himself, itself. For example, we blamed ourselves for what happened. Ourselves refers to the subject we. Indefinite pronouns. They are pronouns that do not refer to any particular person, place, or thing, such as someone, somebody, somewhere, anything, everything, none, few, each, many. For example, I would like to go somewhere. Somewhere doesn't refer to any particular place. Reciprocal pronouns. These pronouns are used to express a mutual action or relationship. They are each other and one another. For example, Ellen and Mark hugged each other. Now that we finished explaining the types of pronouns, it's time for an activity. Identify the pronouns and the type of the pronoun in the following sentences. Let's solve the first sentence together. Did you solve it yourself? It is obvious that we have two pronouns in this sentence. They are you and yourself, correct? What's the type of each pronoun? You is a personal pronoun, and yourself is a reflexive pronoun because it refers to the subject, you. Excellent job! Now solve the rest and check your answers after that. This will be all for today. Thank you for your time.